Hello everyone, welcome to Fun with Puzzles, hosted by Early Birds Club Kids. I'm Swasti Gupta and I would like to present our presenters. Mr. Murli has done his master degree in physics from IIT Mumbai. He started his career as a developer and then went on to become a lead and then a project manager. He has a great passion for teaching mathematics and physics. He is currently located in Secunderabad. He has worked for over 21 years in corporate world in the best companies of US and India. Mr. Murli has also great experience in software such as Java, Visual Basic, and Pascal. We are looking forward to learn something new, sir. Over to you. Sir, you are muted.
So I'll just take a roll call as to who's there in this meeting. We have Anvit, we have Shravani, we have Anvi and Anisha. Anvi and Anisha. Okay, and we have Soham also.
Yes.
Thank you, Soham. We have Shravani. Please say yes. Okay. Anybody I missed out? We have Sahasra. Okay, so we have a good number of kids. So welcome, kids. So today we would learn something called Hashi bridges. Okay, it's a Japanese puzzle. It's a very famous Japanese puzzle. So I would request everybody to switch on their cameras so that I can see your faces. Yeah, I can see Anvit. I would like to see Soham also. Please unmute it. Soham, can you please not unmute? Can you please show your face?
Can you see my video now?
Yeah, 1 second. And Jacob, can you switch on your video? I can't now. I can't see your video. Midhul, can you switch on your video? Okay, so just focus on the screen that I'm showing you. Okay. Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Can you see this written Hashi bridges? You can see this?
Yes.
Okay. So this is how the puzzle works. Okay, just focus on the screen, concentrate what I'm trying to say. These are called islands. You see these circular ones? Okay, these are called islands.
Yes.
Okay, the task that you have is you have to connect the islands. Okay, horizontally and vertically. Okay, so when you connect the island, it becomes a bridge. Okay, now the rule is so here the circle has a number of 3, so it means it can form different types of, three different types of lines. Okay, am I clear till now? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, and that's the first
Yes.
rule. The second rule is from an island only 2 lines can go. Okay, vertically and horizontally, only 2 lines can go. Okay, so what you do is, can you copy this in your notebook with a paper and pencil quickly, everybody? Anvi and Anisha, Please switch on your video. Midul, please draw this diagram on your paper and pencil.
Which diagram?
This diagram which you see on the screen. Can you see a diagram?
Can you see my video?
Yeah, 1 second. No, Soham, I cannot. Anyway, leave it. I think we'll resolve the issue later. Can you see this diagram? Puzzle?
Yes.
Yes, right? So, Anvit,
I took a
Shravani.
screenshot.
Yeah, so draw the diagram, okay, and let's try to solve the puzzle together. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to take the
Excuse me.
yeah.
We're not able to see your screen.
Can everybody see my screen?
We can't. Yes. Yes.
Screen. It's
Midul,
Yes.
can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, I think there is a problem at your end, Anvi.
Yes.
so your screen is visible.
Everybody can see my screen. So can you switch off and log on again?
Oh, okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
please do that quickly. Okay, so here is how the game is played. Okay, so you take the highest number, 4. Here the highest number is 4, right? 5. So 5, it means from here the number of bridges is 5. So 2 here, 2 here,
So
and 1 here.
there the big number is also there 7
7, I cannot see 7.
at the middle.
No, it's 3 and 4, right?
No.
Can anybody see 7?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, 1 second.
Yes.
So let me share my document. Okay. So can you see my screen now?
Yes.
It's written puzzle and solution.
Oh, we can see it.
Okay, so can you see a number 7? It's not there, right?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, you copy this one and let's solve the puzzle together. So how it is solved is, you see this number 5, which is the highest number.
Yes.
Okay, so it means there are 5 bridges that can flow from this circle. So obviously 5 can't go here. So 2 will go here. 2 will go on the top and 1 will go here. Got it?
Got it.
Got it? Then you will take the next highest, which is 4. Now, for 4, 2 is already gone from this. So what you require is another 2 more. It goes like this. Got it? Is it
Got
clear?
it.
Soham, is it clear?
Yes.
Ankit, is it clear? Ankit,
Sir?
is it? Yeah, please ask me a doubt if you have.
I didn't understood the 5 and 4 one.
Okay, so the rule of the game is the number in the circle represents the number of bridges that you need to build. You have to build the bridges vertically or horizontally. Okay, and from each island, only 2 bridges can be built. Okay, so if you take the highest number 5, 2 will go here, 2 will go above, and 1 will come down. Got it? So 5 bridges are done. So 5 is done. So you can cross it in your book. Is it clear, Midhul? Are you clear, Midhul?
Yes.
Yes? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, fine. Now tell me, Midhul, if you take 4, okay, what does 4 represent? 4 represents the number of bridges from this island. Okay, 2 is already gone. You see this on the right side? So 2 is already gone out of 4. So how many bridges you need to construct? Out of
One.
4, not 1, 2, right? 4 minus 2. Got it? 2 is here. 2 is remaining. That 2 you will align it to this one. Got it? Is it clear, Vidul?
Yes.
I'll explain it again. So you see this number 5?
Yes.
Okay, 5 represents the number of bridges you need to construct from this island. Okay? So 2 will go to the top. Fine. 2 will go here. Fine. And 1 will remain. So 5 minus 4. Okay, that 1 will come down. Got it? Are you clear, Midhul?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. If you are clear, then tell me what will happen to this 4 then? How many bridges are you supposed to construct out of 4?
2. 2.
4 bridges. The number inside the island indicates the number of bridges you need to construct. Right? 4 bridges. How will you construct 4 bridges? 2 down, 2 sideways. Done. 4 bridges done. See this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got it? Think again. Okay. I'll come back to you. Just think again. Ankit. Not Ankit. Anvit.
Yes.
Okay. How many bridges are you supposed to construct using this, from this island?
1.
This island, this one.
Can I answer?
Yeah, sure.
3.
Yeah. Who was it?
Me.
Can you tell me your name?
Shravani.
Shravani. Good answer. Okay. 3. Anvit, the number in the circle represents the number of bridges you need to construct. Okay? We'll go slowly. So there are 3 bridges you need to construct. 2 are already done using the vertical ones. So if 2 are done out of 3, how many have you, how many is needed to be constructed?
1.
1. This 1 will come here. Done. Okay. Soham.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah. So you take this 4 now. Okay. Now tell me, how many bridges are you supposed to construct using this 4?
2 on left, 1 on right, 1 on up,
1 second. 2 on left, correct. 1
Two.
on
2 on right, 1 on left.
left, and 1 on top.
Yes.
Correct. Correct.
And when you take to the top, then the 3 one you take to the right, and then 4.
Yeah, yeah. I got it. I got it. I got it. So, okay. So, I think let me come back again to Shravani.
Yeah.
Yeah. So let's again start from the beginning. So how do you solve such puzzles? Which number will you take first?
1.
No, you will take the number with the highest number of bridges, which is
5.
5. Okay, and with 5, okay. Now, what will be your next step?
To build bridges.
Bridges. So 5 means 2 left, sorry, 2 top, 2 left, 1 bottom. Got it? That makes it 5. Okay. So this 4. Now next one. Sahasra. Sahasra.
So it means that
Tell me.
the number which we choose, we have to draw lines and make it full,
Yeah.
make
So,
it minus
yeah. So
from
what?
its number.
Yeah. So what you need to do is you need to take the highest number first to solve the problem. Highest number is 5. Okay. So that means I have to build 5 bridges. 2 to the left, 2 to the top, 1 to the bottom. Like that, you have to keep on going. And you have to ensure that no bridges intersect each other. Okay. Like, like this. Going on top, crossing like this. It's not allowed. Okay. Sahasra. Okay.
Yes.
Now, if I take this 3, okay. So 2 will come from here. Correct? So how many more bridges do we require?
3, 3, and 3.
So what we require is 3. 2 is already done. Right?
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So if out of 3, 2 is done, then how many is remaining? Out of 3, 1.
1.
That 1 will come down. You see this?
To 4.
Yes.
Yeah, it will come down to 4. Done. 3 is done. So the moment each and every island is done, you put a cross mark over there. That means the island is done. The number of bridges constructed is done. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. We'll solve another one now. Okay. It will take some time for you. Wait a second. Now, Anvi.
Yes.
Yeah. So unmute yourself.
Oh, thank God.
Yes.
Okay. 1 second. Let me go down. Page
Okay,
down.
sure.
Page down. Page down. Page down. Page down. Page up. Huh. Let's take this one. So Anvi, which number would you select first?
The
1.
biggest number 4.
Yeah, no, I'm asking Anvi. Please, everybody else go on mute.
4.
Okay, I think Niranjan has also joined. The next question will be to Niranjan. So Anvi, please answer. Which number
4.
would 4? Right? So what does 4 indicate, Anvi?
2.
No, what does 4 indicate? 4 is what?
Was
Anvi and
Anisha.
Anaisha, I think you are having fun.
No.
If you're
We
having
are
fun,
paying
if you're having fun, you can drop off.
No, we're paying attention.
Okay? If you're paying attention, I request you to answer my question.
We couldn't really hear you properly. You were kind of glitching.
You could have told me that. You didn't tell me that.
I
You
was
were-
waiting for you to finish.
You were
Speak.
you were giggling. That's fine. So the highest number is 4. My question is, what is 4?
I don't know.
You don't know. That is what, right? You are not paying attention. 4 is the number of bridges that is to be constructed from this island. Got it?
Yes.
So how many lines can go from a island? Anvi?
2.
Correct. 2. 2 goes left. 2 goes down. So this
Down.
this island is complete. We can cross it.
Yes.
Got it?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. Please pay attention
Yes. Sorry, sir.
and stop giggling. Focus on this.
Yes, sir.
Yep. Okay. I think there are quite a number of kids. Jacob and Niranjan. Next question to Niranjan. Niranjan, can you unmute yourself? Yeah. So from 4 we started. We went 2 here, 2 down. We are here now. Okay. So which number do you see on this island?
I see 3.
3. So what does 3 mean? 3 means the number of 3 means the number of bridges that you need to construct from this island. Correct? Got it?
Got it.
So 2 is already done from here, from 4. So the next, so how many are remaining? Out of 3, 2 are done. Jacob, can you please, show me your video? Okay, out of 3, 2 are done. Correct? So only 1 is remaining. So 1 will go here. Got it?
Yes.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, so you attached 1 to 4. So how many are remaining now in this 4? So out of 4, one you have attached from 3 to 4. So how many are remaining?
3 left.
3 left. Correct. So can you tell me how will you place the next 3?
I placed the next 3 on the other 3.
Yeah. So the next 3 would be 2 down and 1 here. Got it?
Got it.
Okay. Okay, fine. Cool. We have Khyati. Khyati, can you show me your video? Okay. So we are on this 3 now. 2 have come from 4. Okay. So out of 3, 2 are done. How many is remaining?
1,
Correct. Very good. So 1 you will attach it to where? To which island?
2.
Exactly. 1 you will attach it to 2. Correct. And and 1 second, I'll go to Jacob. Jacob, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So one has come from 3 and it got attached to 2. So how many bridges are remaining?
One more.
One more. So where will that one more go?
It will go up.
Up. Very good. It will go up like this. It will go up and attach it to 2. Correct. And Jacob, so if you attach it to 2, one bridge, how many is remaining?
One.
1. That one will go where?
To the 3.
Perfect. Very good answer. To the 3. Everybody focus here. Listen to what others are answering. Okay. Don't wait for your turn. I'll ask randomly now. Okay. Midhul. Okay. So one has come from 2 to 3. Okay. Got it? So how many more bridges are to be constructed? Out of 3, one bridge is already come to 3 now. So how many bridges are remaining from 3?
2
Very good. 2. And where will that 2 go?
to 3.
Not to 3. To 2. Here. Down. Got it?
Got it?
1 from here and 2 here. So 1, 2, 3. Done. Okay. So this, I think we completed this one. I don't think anything is remaining. So we'll go to a web page and do it online now. Okay. Can you see this? Yeah, please.
So the name of this puzzle is?
It's called Hashi Bridges. Okay. So
What is called as this puzzle?
everybody unmute yourself. We'll start this puzzle. We'll start the very easy one. Then we'll go to easy one. And then we'll go to medium one if we have time. Okay. Now, this is a tricky puzzle. Let's see how you do. I'll start with Soham.
Yes.
Okay. Now, which island will you take? Everybody focus here. Focus on the screen. Yeah. Soham.
Uncle, I cannot see the screen.
I can see the screen, but I can't see the puzzle.
Okay, you cannot see?
We can
Okay,
see
I'm
the
sorry.
screen, but not the puzzle.
Sorry.
See the puzzle.
Okay.
Now I can.
Now,
Now you can?
yes.
Yeah, we can.
Okay.
Yes,
Yeah, so
I can see.
everybody's eyes should be on this puzzle. Okay, especially Anvi and Anesha. Okay, the two naughty girls of the
Okay. Now,
okay,
Yeah.
so Soham, tell me, which island would you select first?
I select 7. Then after 7, 2 on right, 2 on 6,
Very good, very good.
2 on 4.
Wait.
One.
Wait. Slowly, let's go slowly. You have selected 7. So now tell me the bridges one by one.
2 bridge to the right.
To the right 2. Okay. Okay. You can see these 2 bridges now that I've constructed.
2 bridge to the left.
2 bridges to the left. Okay. Makes sense. Everybody focus here. Fine. 2 bridges to the left. So how many are remaining now? Soham, one second, 1 second. Just hold on, hold on. I'll ask somebody else now. I'll ask Anvi and Anisha.
Yes, sir. Ami,
Okay, now tell me, Soham has made start with 7. He has selected this island. He has constructed 2 bridges to the left, 2 bridges to the right. So how many bridges are remaining? Quickly.
So not
Midul, focus
sure.
here, Midul. Simple. 7 in this island. There are 7 bridges. Okay, 4 are already done. So how many are remaining?
3.
Exactly. So where will that 3 go?
From 7 to 3.
I mean, to which island it will go now? Tell me.
From
How many?
7 to 3. To 3.
7 to 3. How many? How many? How many bridges?
1.
1. Think about again. Huh?
2.
Okay. Now tell me, how many bridges are remaining?
2.
Huh?
1.
1. 1. How to?
1.
7 minus 6 is 1, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Keep focus on this. Keep focus on this. Okay. Now, unmute yourself. Midul. Midul and Shravani.
Yes.
First Midul.
Yes.
So which island would you select the next one? The second next highest island. Now, which island is the second next highest island?
6.
6. You will select 6. Correct. So 6 means what? You need to construct 6 bridges. So how will you construct 6 bridges? Tell me.
3.
No, from every island, only 2 bridges can be constructed. Got it?
Sir, there is something on the screen.
Okay. I think it's gone. Please move the window away from. Anyway, ignore the above one. It's not important. Okay. So, Shravani. Okay. Can you
Yes.
answer? Can you help Midul to progress with this? We are on 6.
Okay.
So, what does 6 mean?
6 mean bridges.
6 bridges. So, how will you construct 6 bridges from this number?
2 bridges to the 3.
2 bridges to the 3. 1 second. Yeah, you are correct.
Then 2 bridges to the 3 again. About 2 bridges to the 3 again.
Above there is 4, not 3.
Oh yeah.
So,
Then
it's done. 2, 4, 6. Correct? Got it? So this
Yes.
6 is done. You don't have to worry about it. Vidul, which number would you select next? The next highest number. Unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. The next highest number is what? 7 is done. 6 is done. 4. Got it?
Yes.
4. We'll select 4. We'll go up. We'll construct 2 bridges from here and 2 bridges down. Got it?
Got it.
Can I see the whole box?
Done. This 4 is also done. Actually, it's not required. This is not required. I'm sorry, because this is connected to this. So this is so this is 2 is coming from here. 2 is going on top.
Sir, one bridge is up, one bridge is down.
Yeah, one bridge is up and one bridge is sideways. Sorry, 2 bridges are up, 2 bridges are sideways.
Can I
Got it?
see the whole box?
I'm sorry, Soham.
Can I see the whole box?
No, please wait. We'll have to give others also a chance. Okay, 1 second. Anvit,
Yes, sir.
now come on, please help me solving this problem quickly.
The
Which
three,
which-
3 is the
Which number would you select next?
3.
You have 4 here, no?
4 is the,
So
yes.
Then you cannot select 3, right? You have to select 4. 4.
2 bridges to the right.
2 bridges to the right. 1 second. 1. So this is done. 2 bridges here,
Yes.
2 bridges here. This 4 is done. Got it? Is it clear
Yes.
now?
Yes.
Okay.
Now to solve the 3, 2 bridges to the
1 second,
down.
1 second, 1 second. Let's focus on 3 now. Let's focus on 3. Tell me.
3, 2 down, 2
Three.
down to the 1.
You cannot have 2 down to 1, right? You cannot have 2 down to 1. Think again.
3 to
Three.
left side.
Right side you will send 1. That's done. This 1 is taken care of. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes. Sahasra, unmute yourself. Now tell me, we are on this 3. 1 is being sent to 1. So we are left with how much?
2.
2. So 2 will go where?
At the right side, left side.
At the left side.
At the left side.
Sure.
Yes.
Not down. It will go down. It will go down 1. Okay. So this 3 has 1 remaining. So where will that 1 remaining go?
To the left.
To the left. Yes. We did a mistake here. We'll correct it now. Okay. This one is a mistake. This 4 should have come down. Okay. Now, I think we have solved most of the things. One second. Khyati. Yeah. So can you tell me which one would you select here?
3, right there.
Yeah.
Two at the side.
Okay. And
1 to the 1.
okay. Mm,
But I don't think this one will work because you need to connect to that one up there also.
yeah, so there is a problem here. Okay, I think somebody answered it correctly. Who was it?
It was me, Madhav.
Madhav. I cannot see you, Madhav.
Oh, can you see me now?
Yeah, I can see you now. Sorry, I
Cool.
missed you out. Were you online all this time?
Yes, I was.
Okay. Okay, so can you help me in this as to how you would connect this one?
Well, what I would do is I would make one line to the 2, one line to the 1,
Ah,
and
right.
one line to the one up there.
Perfect. That is correct. So you would connect like this. Okay,
Yep.
and you would connect like this.
Yeah.
Very good. Very good. Okay, but there is a problem. What is the problem?
3 is there to the 1 left.
See, this one is still remaining.
Yeah.
Okay. So how do you take care of this one? Anybody can answer that?
Oh, you connect to that 3.
Which three? This three?
No, the one next
This
to it.
this you
The
cannot no you cannot cross like that.
Oh, okay.
You cannot cross over
Can
like
Can I
I
that.
say?
say?
Yeah.
Can I say Soham?
Yeah, you can say.
We should. That's 6 is connected to that.
Yeah. Tell me. I think you're on the right track. Yeah.
Remove one. Remove
Correct.
one.
Right.
Add it to the 2. Remove.
So this is done. So this is taken care of. Okay. And this will be 2. Got it? Okay. I think it's still not complete. Okay. Anybody can answer this question. Which island is not yet complete?
Can I?
I'm sorry. I think I did a mistake here. Yeah, you can. Please go ahead. Which island is not yet complete?
The 3 at the
This one. This is not yet complete. This will get connected here. Now, everybody focus here and check if we have done it correctly or not. The number of islands, the number of bridges coming out of the islands.
There's one more island that's not complete.
Okay, tell me which
2
one.
to 4.
It's the 3.
Where is that 3? Where? Which 3?
It's next to the 2.
This one?
No.
This one?
Yeah, that one.
Correct. This is not complete. So, how will you complete this?
I know. Can I answer?
Yeah, please go ahead.
Take to the 2.
take 1 to 2. Take 1 bridge to 2.
Okay, if you take one bridge to 2, this becomes 3. Will become 3.
No, you need to take 2 bridges to 2.
Sir, the upper one is done 2.
See, these 3 is there, right?
No, wait, no, there's an issue. I think I know how to solve this.
Okay, sure.
The
Please tell
the
me.
3 at the very top, it has 4 bridges going onto it.
Ah, correct. It has 4 bridges going onto it, right?
Yes,
So
so you have to remove
This one
one bridge from 2.
from 2. Correct, correct. You are absolutely right.
Mm.
What's your name? Madhav, right?
Yes.
Very good answer.
Yes, and then connect the 2 and the 4,
Yeah,
and then remove one bridge from 4 and 2.
yeah. Correct. Very good. So, okay. So, is this complete?
No.
No. I think we have an issue over here.
Yes, the upper it is 2, and at the left side also it is 2. So it
So what-
becomes 4.
So what we'll do is,
One
so we'll make this as 2, and we'll make this as 1. Got it?
Sir, it's wrong again.
Why? Why is it wrong?
There are 3, right?
Yeah. So this 3 has 2 here and 1 here. This 4 has 2 here and 2 here. This 2 has this 2 is a problem. So 1 second. My mistake. It says the current puzzle is solved now. Okay. So just go through it for a couple of minutes and see how we have done it. So sometimes you have to do some trial and error. You won't be, doing a perfect thing. We have some 10 minutes of time, so we can try new puzzle. So the concept is clear to everybody, how the Hashi bridges work. Okay.
Yes.
So let me start with the
Yes.
person Niranjan. Yeah. So make a start. We have less time, so we'll have to solve this quickly, or else we'll have to come back next week and do it.
Number 2.
No, take the highest number. 4.
5.
4.
5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Yeah. So tell me now.
2 to the right,
Correct.
and 1 to 4. 1 to the 4 island at the up.
Not 1. 2 to the 4 island. Okay. And 1 second. You have
1
answered.
to
So 2 to the 4, 2 to the 3. Okay. Now Madhav.
Yep.
Yeah. So Niranjan has made a start. He started with the highest number, which is correct. 2 to the right,
Yeah.
2 to top.
Yeah. So
And
then
then-
attach one bridge from 5 to 1.
And okay. And then the next one.
Then attach a bridge from yes. Attach a bridge from 4 to 2.
1 second. This one, right?
Yeah, 4 to that. No, the other 2.
Okay. Not this one, you are saying.
Yeah, not this one.
Okay. This two. Okay.
Yes.
Good. Okay. Then
But don't attach 2 bridges, just one bridge.
where?
No, from 4 and 2, the one we just did, just one bridge, not 2.
4 and 2. You want me to attach only one bridge.
Yes.
Why is that?
Because then from the 2 at the very top, you can attach a bridge down.
So this is 2, 1. So this and this will
No, no,
become
no. Yeah,
this one, right?
no, or you can go to the side, whichever one.
No, no, no. This problem has only one solution. It cannot have
Okay.
multiple solutions. So you tell me it has to go on top. It has no other solution now. It has to go to 1 only.
All right.
Okay, fine. Just unmute yourself. Next one is Jacob. Everybody focus here. We have to solve this together. So I think Niranjan and Madhav. Jacob.
Yes.
Yeah, so please progress on the next one.
I think we should connect the top corner 2 with the one that goes down.
See, you should take the next highest. 5, 4, 4. Take the 4.
I
And try-
think we should put from one of the 4 down to the 2.
One of the 4, only 1 down to 2. Okay. Sorry. Yeah. And then
Then from the 4, I think we should connect 2 to the 2 bridges to the 3 that's up.
okay. Anybody has a different point of view, please tell me.
No, I just have one thing which I would like to say. We need to fix the thing which I said from the middle 4. It's not going to go up. I don't think it's going to go to the side.
Are you sure?
Maybe.
See, the rule is 1 cannot be attached to 1. Always,
Yeah.
always remember that. So if there is
Yeah.
a 4 and 1, you have to attach 1 to 4. That's it. Okay.
All right.
Now, I want to understand, why did you send 2 above and 1 below and 1 here? Jacob?
So then we can connect the 2 up to the 1.
Okay, yeah, makes sense. Then the other 1, 2 is 3. Okay. And where will the okay, got it. So this is complete. Fine.
No, wait, no, there's a problem. There's 3 bridges coming out of 2.
Ah, right. There is 3 bridges coming out of 2. So you cannot do that. You cannot do this.
Yeah.
So this is done. So we have to connect 1 to, so this 3 is kept hanging. So we have to connect it to 2. And we have to remove this. We have to do something else.
I think what you can do is remove the 2's connection from 1, because then we can bring, yeah, we can do that instead.
Yeah, we can do this. So this 2 is there, and this 4, fine. So this sounds fine. So
Yeah, and then
who's next?
yeah, and then also from the 2 at the very bottom, the one which is connected to the
Yeah.
4, yeah, bring a line connecting to there, that 2, and then a line connecting to the 1.
Yeah. Right. Anvit.
Yes.
Yeah. So can you tell me?
Yes.
Yeah, so 2, 2. Okay. So what would be the next one? Which you would select?
1.
Not 1. We have done 4. We have done 3. So next one
3
would be
is
3.
left. 3.
3, right?
Yes.
So you can take this 3.
To the down 3.
You can take the upper 3, right? It's simple. You connect this to this 1. So
1.
this one is solved.
And 2 to the 2 bridges to 2R.
To here or to the bottom?
To the right. Left.
Left. Okay.
Yes.
So let's see. No, I don't think so. This is correct. Okay, fine. I'll say what you advise.
At the bottom. Not at the bottom.
At the bottom.
Yes.
And these 3 can be connected to this one.
Yes.
Okay. Anvit, fine?
Yes.
No, that's, I don't think that will work because you have this one which is left
Which one is left?
right in the middle.
So this one
Yes,
has to be taken care of, right?
Yes, between the 2 3s, you can only make one bridge
Mhm.
and then connect one bridge down.
Mhm.
Yeah, and then make that only one bridge at the top there.
Right. Right. Thanks for pointing this out. Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can connect
One
that
second.
3.
1 second. From here, how
Okay.
many bridges are going? 1, 2. The third one is remaining.
Yep, third one goes to the 2.
Third one goes to the 2. Okay. Yeah. One second.
And then that connects to the bottom 2.
Yeah. Let me check. Fine. This puzzle is solved. Cool. So we did solve this puzzle quickly, on time. So who has joined? Let me just speak out the names. Anvit, can you unmute yourself? Anvit, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
So are you clear with
Yes.
the way this? You are clear?
Yes.
Okay. I will share the link. Everybody just copy hashi.info in your notebook, and in your free time you can solve the puzzle. It is called Hashi Bridges, but the site name is hashi.info. Okay. Shravani,
Yes.
are you clear?
Yeah.
Good. Anvi and Anesha. Anvi and Anesha, quickly. I think the time is up almost.
They're not there.
They're not there? Okay. Soham,
Yes.
are you clear?
Yes.
Okay. Shravani? Oh.
Yes.
Are you clear with the way we have worked out the puzzle today?
Yeah.
Sahasri.
She's also not there.
Oh, she's also not there. Okay. Niranjan? Niranjan, are you there?
Yes.
Are you okay with the puzzles? Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Cool. Madhav,
Yes,
sorry, I took your name at the end.
that's okay.
I didn't see you. So did I leave anybody? Before we quit, Khyati.
Yes.
So are you comfortable?
Yes, I'm comfortable.
So please note down the site name hashi.info and kindly work in your free time. I mean, this is a very logical and interesting puzzle.
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm sure you would all like to work on it. So I would like to thank
I am here.
Swasti also.
Thank you so much, Murli sir, for conducting this workshop.
No
We
problem.
really had a good time and we got a chance to learn so interesting puzzles like hash bridge. I would also like to thank all our participants for attending this workshop. At EBC Kids, we host many such unique and fun programs to entertain and empower the children of the world. If your child would like to actively participate in these sessions, please register at www.earlybirdsclub.org. We hope you had a fun and look forward to seeing you at the next event. Thank you so much.
Yeah, 1 second. I think I missed out one name. Midhul. Can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
So are you clear, Midhul?
Yes, sir. I'm clear.
So will you work on the puzzle? Hashi.info, will you go to the site and work on the puzzle?
Yes.
Okay, so I'll check on it next week. Okay, thank you very much, kids. Thank you. I had
Sir,
fun.
when will
Yeah.
be the next session?
Next Tuesday. Okay. Bye.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank
Bye.
you. Thank you, Uncle,
Bye.
for taking this session.
Thanks a lot for joining. No
Thank
problem. Bye. Take care.
Bye.